Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk to you about the National Park Cancellation Stamp Location Digital Map available in our Etsy store. This is a digital download, so once you purchase this product, you will receive a file with instructions on how to download and use this app on both your phone and your computer. It has over 450 locations that are color coded based on the colors within your national park cancellation stamp book. And this is a really useful tool for trip planning, as we're going to show you in the next segment, as well as just seeing the different locations that are available across the different regions. Again, they're color coded for your convenience and easily accessible. They have additional data that matches our databases as well. So really useful tool that will save you a lot of time and very easy to use, as you will see in the next segment. Once you pull up Google Maps on your phone, it's really easy to access the saved map. You would go into the saved map button, then access the stamp map that you had previously downloaded following the instructions. And there you have it. You see all of the locations pull up on your phone based on where you are. That's the blue dot. You have the option to deselect any of the regions that you do not need at that time, just so the map works a little quicker. We're in the Western region, so we're going to leave just the Western locations showing in the map as we are navigating through this location. And we see a location close by is the Manzanar National Historic Site. We're 5 minutes away, so you have the option of using directions to take you to this place, which is really easy to use and useful. Once you're done, you can go back and reselect all of the locations and the regions that you deselected, so you get the full map um, as, as as you need it. So this is always an option that you have whenever you want to use Google Maps, and it's really this easy. This is all you need to do to use it on your phone. Another way that you can use our digital maps is either on your computer or on your phone and pre-map all the stamp locations that you want to visit, and then just use Google Maps to take you to each one of them and start collecting all the stamps that you're missing. This is all I wanted to share with you today. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope that our Google Map digital file can help you collect and visit as many locations as you can. As always, happy travels and thanks for watching.